Nthini wa kaunti ya Masaku ni kana na Movisaa ma Volisi musini wa Masaku ni makomie matoisi musako utukuni wa kuamkia umuthi icio ni cikivathukanio musini vala meekiwa mbini esililwa miongo 3 na omwena ala methiwe maitho cia Nzovi kivathukanio ile ivatanitwe na ikakunwa mungu ni serikali. Na nthini wa musako usu mitambo ya kuthauka kalata muthemba wa Tunyonde miongo 86 na makotoni kauta Nzovi isu ikunitwo mungu ni meekiwa mbini nthini wa kiseseta Volisi kwikiwa ukunikilimbe ange maovu asu majikithwa ni komanda wa Movisaa ma Volisi kauntini ya Masaku na ula ni Patrick Lobolia. Nilivyochumbanitwe niwe Ben Musao
ainena na andikima maovu komanda wa Volisi kauntini ya Masaku Patrick Lobolia ni umbo la kana esililwa miongo 3 na omwe ni meekiwa mbini maikonaniwa na uthosia wa Nzovi Mbatane nthini wa musako muvyu na ula watwaiiw'a isioni kivathukanio musini wa Masaku utukuni wa kuamkia umuthi.
And the alcohol, the illicit alcohol, the second generation, we found it somewhere near the stage, Masaku stage. And this is where everybody comes. The students are there when they are traveling, travelers, and every kind of person go to that stage. And they laid a strategy to get all of these people there. So they are found somewhere near the stage. For vodka, power vodka, we had 23 boxes. Smart vodka, we had 16 boxes. Magic vodka, we had 23 cartons. And then the machines were 46. We've also arrested some people, the owner of the store.
Wengi mitambo miongo 86 ya kuthauka kalata muthemba wa Tunyonde ni thikiye na ikiwa mbini na Kuvivya anza ya maofisi ma komanda wa Volisi musini uyu. Ovamwe na uwitano ni waumwa kula kwiyene nthi kwitha memetho ila meunywa ni kwitha Nzovi thita itemba ilu na imwe kwitha sina chemical muthemba muthuku.
Mixture of ethanol, I don't know, methanol, very dangerous substances, and then it's taken directly. So this effect to the society, it is our duty to tell the society the effects of this, the machines, the drugs, and then all this illicit business going around. And then the public now, please, you tell us where this illicit business is going on, because we've told you the effects. After we know, don't say that the police know. What we appeal is that come and tell us. Don't assume. After that, we are going to finish this business of illicit brews, drugs and all this.
Okavindani kaumunini wa county commissioner Masaku Junde Wajiro ni omiokanyo muvyo kula kuyathosia na nyuma Nzovi ithi aiweta atamekwosa wa matambio mai makimiao.
I want to send a stern warning through the office of the county commissioner. Anybody involved, whether in selling or drinking the counterfeit alcohol, action will be taken against him or her. So please, members, be vigilant, and even members of the public, mtusaidie kupata hizo arrest.
Gelivotea vilingi wa maovu mtongoew'e TV, nye nitawa Ben Musako.